What to do if your Tesla needs repairs. All right, Tesla fam, whether you're dealing with a small issue or a larger repair, knowing the right steps to take when your Tesla needs repairs can save you time and stress. Here's a guide on how to handle it when your Tesla runs into any problems. Step 1. Diagnose the issue using the Tesla app. Before you jump into any repairs, the first thing you should do is try to diagnose the issue with your Tesla. Tesla's mobile app is super handy for this. Open the Tesla app and go to the service section. Report the issue by describing the symptoms, and Tesla will often offer you troubleshooting tips or let you know if it's something they can resolve remotely with a software update. Step 2. Schedule a service appointment. If you can't solve the issue on your own, the next step is to schedule a service appointment. Mobile service. If it's a minor repair, you may be eligible for Tesla Mobile Service, where a technician comes to your home or office to handle the issue. Service center visit. For larger repairs or diagnostics that can't be handled remotely or at your location, you'll need to schedule a visit to a Tesla service center. You can do this directly through the app, and they'll guide you through the process. Step 3. Prepare your Tesla for service. Before your scheduled service, make sure your Tesla is ready for repairs. Back up your data. If your issue relates to the software or infotainment system, it's a good idea to back up any data or settings you may need. Clear the vehicle. If you're taking it to a service center, ensure the vehicle is clean and that you have all personal items removed, as they might need to access various parts of the car. Step 4. Review your warranty. Before heading to the service center, check your warranty status. Basic warranty. Most repairs are covered under Tesla's 4-year, 50,000-mile basic warranty. Battery and drivetrain. If the repair involves the battery or drivetrain, the 8-year warranty might cover it, depending on the model. Out of warranty? If your Tesla is out of warranty, you'll be responsible for repair costs. Be sure to get an estimate before you approve any repair work. Step 5. Communicate with Tesla's service team. When you bring your Tesla in for service, or when the mobile technician arrives, be clear about the issue you're experiencing. Describe it in detail and let the technician know if you've noticed any warning lights, strange noises, or issues with performance. Tesla's technicians are trained to handle a wide range of problems, but the more details you provide, the quicker they can identify the issue. Step 6. Check for software fixes. Sometimes issues with your Tesla can be solved with a software update, which Tesla can perform remotely. If your issue is related to something like a system glitch, camera calibration, or sensor problem, check if a software update is available in the Tesla app or on your in-car display. If not, Tesla may handle it during your service appointment. Step 7. Final check and drive safely. Once the repair is completed, make sure to review the work done by Tesla's service team. Verify that the problem has been resolved and take the car for a short drive to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Final thoughts. Dealing with repairs on your Tesla doesn't have to be complicated. Tesla's customer service and the app make it easy to schedule and track repairs. And if your issue can't be fixed remotely, you have options like mobile service or a service center visit. Just be sure to stay informed, keep your warranty details handy, and communicate effectively with Tesla's team. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.